Yo, what's up? I'm Mach3. Welcome to How to Break Volume 1. I'm going to be going over some very basic B-boy and B-girl moves. So by the end of this video, you should be able to do a couple of rounds in a battle. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we start with the basic top rock, as always. And this one is right foot comes up here, arms open up, you bring it back, boom, you kind of close, and you open up again when you step out with your left. Boom, and you see how my legs kind of cross, boom, and back, boom, and back. Now, let's break this down, okay? First thing, when I step, I'm not flat-footed. I'm stepping on my, kind of on my toes. My heel is up, right? And that gives you the bounce, right? So you can kind of boom and come back. Boom. You don't have to, you're not. Now that's a different style. You could do that if you want to, right? But for now, we're just gonna work on this one, right? So you just step down, come back, and you kind of open up. Boom, back, open up. And when I say open, I mean your chest, like boom. And as you do this, you'll find your flow. You'll find your style. Don't do it exactly like me. Don't try to mirror me. Just learn the steps, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen to that music. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, boom, step, da, ba, 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 ba. Real simple. Nothing crazy. You don't have to be jumping around. You don't have to be moving around. Boom, just hit that rhythm. Ga, shoom, ba, boom, ba. All right, do this with me. Here we go. Ready? 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. All right. So that's the top rock, basic top rock. We're gonna come back to the top rock, so don't worry about it too much, all right? But I do want you to work on it. So pause it, rewind it, do whatever you gotta do, all right? So we're gonna work on our first go down, right? Our first drop. This one's gonna be very simple. It's probably the most simple one we're gonna do, right? So it's real simple. It's from you step forward, so let's just step, and then we step back, and then you step this way. All you're gonna do is from the back leg, you're gonna hop back here. But watch what happened with this leg. See how this leg kind of did a nice little, I didn't just go like this, right? I went back, this leg kind of, look at how it goes. And I hop on my right leg as that's happening. Right, I'm exaggerating right now so you can see it, right? Step, boom, back. You kind of whip that left leg back. And that just adds a little bit of style before you go to the drop, right? So we're gonna go from our right forward. So right, back, left, and here we go, up, boom. So it's just up, gang, gang. Those are the sounds that you should hear. When you go up, boom, boom, just like that, right? So up, boom, bam. I'm sorry. So step, up, bam, bam, right? So step, up, boom, boom. So the next step after that, right? When we go step, up, boom, boom, you're just here. You're literally just here. You're just standing up. And from here, you just drop down. And I want you to drop down onto your left arm, all right? So right here. And then we're gonna hang out here for a second. And we're gonna talk about a foundational posture pose. So when it comes to footwork, this is probably one of the most important positions that you need to learn. You have to be able to sit here comfortably. You might not sit exactly the way I sit. You might be sitting a little bit more like this. You might be sitting a little bit more like this. Everybody's body is different, so we're not gonna sit exactly the same, but you have to get comfortable here. You have to be able to find it, and for some people it'll take some time, it'll take a couple days, couple weeks, but you have to be able to find this position here within your body that allows you to kind of be a little bit, you can move around without a problem here, right? And so that That's what's gonna help you with all of your footwork and all of the foundation. And this position for me, when we're gonna be teaching this footwork, is gonna be the base, right? This is gonna be the home base, right? We're always gonna return here. We're gonna start here for a lot of the things that we're teaching in this lesson. All right, cool. Okay, so here we go, right? From the right leg, we're gonna go 1, back, 2, hop, and down. Okay? One more time. 1, back, 2, from here, hop, and down. Okay? Again, step, back, step, hop, put the foot down and down. It's so easy. Hop on one leg, put the foot down on the other one, and then drop, right? So from here again, it's just hop and down. So step forward, back, step forward, hop and down. One more time. Here we go. Ready? Right leg first. Boom. Back, step forward, hop and down. You're just hopping on that right leg. From that forward, from this position, you're just going boom, boom. That's all it is. Jump on that right leg. Once you land, drop. All right? Here we go. One more time. We're going to do it a little bit faster. All right? 5, 6, 7, and boom, back, boom, back, boom, back. One more time, and step, back, step, gang, boom, ga. Right? Cool. So let's go from here, right? Let's move on, and we'll come back to the top rock and the drop afterwards, right? So the first footwork we're gonna learn, these are called kickouts, okay? So you're gonna have your right arm right here, real close to your body, right? And you're gonna kick out with both your legs. You're gonna land on your heels. You're gonna try and hold yourself up and bring yourself back. Then you're gonna switch arms, and then you're gonna do the same thing that way. Boom, and back. Now, notice my hands are on the ground, and we'll talk about this later. My hands are on the ground like this. This gives me a little bit more height, right, and style. We'll explain that later. If you absolutely have to for this move, if you're brand new and you have to have your hands, the palms of your hands down flat, that's okay for now. But eventually we're gonna move on from that, okay? So for right now, this is okay because I know this is kind of a complicated move, right? It's new for your body, brand new. So if your hands need to be flat, that's okay. But I actually would prefer them if they're up here, just right here, right? Okay, so here we go again. We start from here, we get up, shake our legs a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Because we're gonna be down there for a while, all right? So you start from here, right? Left arm goes down, kick that way. Boom, bring it back, boom. Switch, right? Kick, bring it back. Switch, kick, bring it back. Switch, kick, bring it back. All right? So let's do that a little bit on the music. We'll do it a couple times so you guys can learn it, and then we'll put it into the combination. All right? We're gonna go kick, back, kick, back, kick, back, kick, back. Ready? 6, 5, 6, 7, and kick, back, kick, back, kick, back, kick, back. Ba, doom, da, doom, doom, boom. Come on, boom, ba, boom, ba, doom, ba. If you can't keep up, go half pace. Ready? If you can't keep up, you're gonna go like this. Got, back, got, that, ba, switch, kick, bring it back, switch, kick, bring it back, switch, kick, bring it back. All right, so now that you got those kickouts, it's time to work on that transition into that freeze, okay? So, this is very simple. It's from a kick out. We're gonna go from the right side, right? So if we kick this way, you're gonna take your right leg and you're gonna put it right here, like over your knee kind of as you rotate, right? So here's what I mean. So you kicked out and then you put your right leg and you turn basically to a sit, all right? And you kind of just sit right here. That's all that is. So if you really look at it, You go from here, you put your leg here, and then you turn. Boom, turn. You can use both arms. Boom, and just sit right here for now. We're not gonna sit on the actual move. I just want you to understand that rotation, okay? So, one more time. From the kick out, right? So from the kick out, from the right side, your right leg. So if you're on the right side, your right leg. If you're on the left side, it will be the other leg, you know. So right side, right leg goes here. You just hook it. Boom, bang. So the next step from here though, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna get on this foot here. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep rotating. We're gonna get on our elbow and we're gonna lift ourselves so we're on our foot. On this foot, on this elbow, and you're gonna lift this leg up. So you're on your foot and your elbow, and you can do whatever you want with this arm. You can grab that leg, you can cross it right here, you know what I'm saying? Boom, grab your hat for some style, whatever you wanna do, all right? So that's the full little combo. Now, a lot of things that I've seen a lot of B-boys and B-girls where they do a freeze and they end their freeze and they don't know how to get up. They get up and it just destroys the whole thing. So I want you guys to really work on how you're gonna stand up from that freeze in your own way, all right? In your own way, in a way that looks dope, that looks purposeful, as opposed to you just found a way to stand up, you know what I'm saying? Just off the top of my head, you know, I would probably do something where I would continue that move, and obviously I'm a little bit more advanced, but just to show you, I would take this back leg, maybe put it right here, and I would turn and stand. So the reverse would be boom, bam, right? So I want you to find your way to stand up from this move, okay? It could be as simple as this, right? You're down here, right? This is how the freeze is, yep. So it's right here, the freeze. And you can do something as simple as boom, bat, you know what I mean? Hold that position, boom, because you kind of need that for equilibrium, you know what I'm saying? So you kind of hold that position, you can kind of come back up, boom. You're a B-boy or a B-girl, you know what I'm saying? Now you need a name.